Hello, pig farmers and pig lovers. Welcome once again to Edovasa Pig Farm. Today, I still remain Mr. Daniel Ezeji, founder of Edovasa Pig Farm Enugu. Today, we shall be looking at a disease that affects pigs, weaners, sows, boars, and the disease is very critical, just like the swine fever. It doesn't have a cure. Just that there are some steps you can take to manage them. The name of this disease is the foot and mouth disease. Foot and mouth disease. So I think some also call it a foot rot, mouth rot. Foot and mouth disease in pigs. Now, these are some of the signs, some of the things you will notice in your pigs that will help you know that this is the disease. Especially, one of the first things you will see is withdrawal from food. Apart from withdrawal from food, you see that the pig will start um, getting lean. From getting lean, you also see the pig will start staggering, having a staggering movement. And it's this also results to sudden widespread of lameness in a pen, because the disease is very, very infectious. So you see sudden widespread of lameness, and sorry, I'll call you back. And also affected pigs, you see them, they will be salivating. Also you can also notice some blisters or vesicles around the skin, up to 30 millimeter in diameter. And some of the places you can see these blisters include the top of the pig claws, the top of their claws, their heels, their around the nose, their tongue, their lips, and also for the sow, the teeth, the breast, the teeth, of a recently farrowed sow. And when it gets a recently farrowed sow, you see that sow we stop giving the children breast milk, because they are injuring her when they are trying to suck. And before you know it, she also start withdrawing from food and become so lean. And there is no cure for this disease, but you can manage it, and it takes weeks for them to recover. But there are steps you can take to manage, mitigate this, and even stop it from happening. And these are some of the things we teach our students at our weekend training, weekend pig training, pig husbandry training at our farm. So apart from the ones we have mentioned, you see that also within 24 hours, many of these vessels will burst. And once it bursts, the disease starts spreading like a wildfire. Also on the lips and on the teeth, you may see shallow erosions, and on the secondary level, you will see the pig will start having a trauma, and even the trauma may convert them into having a raw jagged edge, raw jagged edge around the mouth, around the nose, the hooves, and all that, which can also lead to ulcers in the inside. You understand? So, and again, you will see inappetence, avoiding food, run out, depression. The pigs also that are affected also get a fever up to 40 degrees centigrade. They get fever, high fever. You even in some severe cases, you will discover that some of them will start losing their hoofs. And abortion in sows that are with pregnancy causes abortion. And death in very severe cases leads to death. Especially on piglet, from that paralysis, if you don't manage it well, death straight away. Okay, for sows, you see abortion, you see they stop giving breast milk to their children if they are still breastfeeding. On piglets, you will see there will be increased mortality, which is often the first sign. And then it also comes with a cardiac arrest, because the thing also tends to seize their breathing, their lungs, and all that. On boars, you see that your boar will stop serving sows because he's not feeling all right, and it will stop performing, you know. So and also later you also see the boy will become lame, unable to eat, unable to move around. So like I said, as for the treatment, there is no treatment. The only thing you can do once you discover it, call the affected animals, remove the affected animals. And if you would really love to know more about this disease, how to control them, I think you should either enroll, either you pay for our online training and tap into our mentorship platform, or you can send your workers, or you yourself come around and get trained fully, because this is not the only disease that affect pigs. There are a lot of them. And if you wait for me to share all of them here on Facebook, that means by the time it will hit your farm, you may not be prepared. The information might not have been shared. So I will encourage you, never underestimate the power of training. And whenever it comes to your business, take it serious. You can never go wrong by training your workers constantly, training them and retraining them, training them and retraining them, until they become very established and your farm become very profitable. All right, if you need any of our products, our smart feeding formula, our trainings, mentorship and the rest, check through the description that comes with this post. So till next time, God bless you and stay safe.